Good morning. Hello, everybody. I am Gina Burnett. I am the owner of Shine with Gina B, and you are here on my personal Facebook wall, and I'm going to do a really quick makeup tutorial this morning. I know I've been MIA for a couple weeks just dealing with some family stuff, but I am back this morning, and I'm so excited to show you some of the products that are in this month's Kudos special, and they happen to be 3 of my all-time favorite products that we have. So I'm really excited to show those to you. I already have on some BB cream. I'm not doing a whole lot today, so I didn't want to do like a full-on makeup look today, but I am doing just like kind of doing the basics. So I have on some BB cream, I have on some blush, I did my brows, and now I'm getting ready just to show you some really super simple ways to do your eyes. And part of our Kudos special this month includes these Splurge cream eyeshadows that are my favorite eyeshadows of all time. Never even knew these existed till I got with Younique Company, but they are cream eyeshadows. They go on like a dream, and here's the best part, ladies. They stay on all day, and no creasing, none. No creasing. Hand to the Bible. No creasing. None. I have no problems with these at all. And what I like to do is I always start off with this color called Victorious. And it is a very nude color. And I like to use this just as a base color to kind of just get rid of the redness and the any kind of discoloration on my eyelids. I just use our cream shadow brush, and I literally just slap this on, which is one of the things that I love about all of the cream shadows. You can just slap it on. There's no scientific method. There's no fallout from the powder. There's no it's really super easy to blend. It dries to a powder, but it doesn't start off as a powder, which personally, I love our powder eyeshadows and our palettes and everything, but personally for me, especially like on a work day or during the summer on a vacation, these cream eyeshadows are what I go to just because they're so simplistic. They are so easy to use, and I don't have to deal with the fallout. I don't have to deal with, you know, several different color eye makeup brushes or anything like that. So here's just what I start with. You do not have to. You could just use an eye primer underneath, or really you don't even need a primer with these splurges because they're just so wonderful. But I always start with this color. You can see here it's called Victorious. And I love the Victorious just because it gives me a clean canvas to start off with. So the only color that I am going to wear today, other than the Victorious, which you don't even have to do, I am going to use this color, and it is called Happy. And it is one of my go-to colors. It's kind of like a grayish purple kind of color. It's very neutral, goes with just about anything. But what I love about this color, or all the cream splurge eyeshadow colors really, is you can just put them on and then blend them out so they get lighter as they go up. And that one color eyeshadow ends up looking like you have multiple shades of color on. So it makes it really easy. Instead of putting on a dark brown and then a lighter brown and then a medium brown, you don't have to do that so much with these splurge colors. You can just brush them out, blend them out, and it'll do that all on its own. So I'm just going to tap my brush into this color Happy. These are also extremely layerable, so you can get the tiniest color to the deepest, darkest, richest color just by applying more. So it's totally up to you to control how much color you want. And I just kind of usually dab that right on my eyelid, and then I just gently start bringing that color up a little bit above my crease. I have hooded eyes, so I do definitely need to come above my crease. But as you can see, they glide on like a dream. Super, super easy. And let me tell y'all, I have probably like maybe 20 of these different colors. I'm kind of addicted to the splurges. One of the things I love about the splurges too, I went through a period of time before I found Younique where my eyes were super, super sensitive, and a lot of the powder eyeshadows were making me itch and just making, really bothering my eyes. And one of the things that I loved about Younique when I first tried it was these splurge eyeshadows didn't do that. These do not bother me at all, ever. I have no kind of reaction to these whatsoever. So if you're one of the ladies who maybe shies away from eyeshadow because of that, give these cream eyeshadows a try. Now you can see, oh, hold on, I'm just trying to find my blending brush. Here we go. You can see how I've put that on. It is super, super, super easy. Now I'm just going to take my blending brush and I'm just going to gently start blending that out with small circles, just so that that line is softer. And I'm just going to kind of pull it up a little bit more up towards my brow bone. This is a super, 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 super easy and fast technique. Now you can kind of see the difference in the two eyes between what's blended and what's not. So I'll just switch to the other one. These come, I think we're up to, I don't know, between 26 and 30 different shades. They do come in mattes and shimmers, and we also have a few colors that are metallic. I personally tend to stick to the matte, but I do have several of the shimmers too that I use occasionally, but I really prefer the matte shades. Now look, how simple was that? Super, super easy. So, next thing I'm going to do is, again, since I'm just kind of running some errands and stuff today, I'm not going to go for a majorly made up look. So I am just going to pop some eyeliner in my waterline. I'm not even going to put it on the top of my lid. I'm just going to pop it right there in my waterline. Which, if you're not sure what the waterline is, that is the area underneath your eyelashes. So instead of going on top onto your eyelid, you're coming up underneath that area of your eye. And some people are a little squeamish because it does bring this pencil right in there by your eyeball. But I've done this for so long, I'm very used to it, and it doesn't bother me at all. And that just gives a little bit more depth and a little bit more pronunciation to your eyes without it looking super gaudy. You know, I'm not winging it out because I'm not going for that kind of look today. I'm just doing an around the town look. I will put a little bit of this on my bottom lash. Okay, and so that's it. So the next product that comes in the special this month, first you get this, pick your Splurge eyeshadow color. You can pick any color. The next item is the Epic Mascara. Now you guys know, anybody who's been following me for a while knows that I love, 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 love the Epic Mascara. Personally speaking, every single woman in the world needs an Epic Mascara. The best mascara. Everybody who tries it says they will never go back to anything else. And it is amazing what it does to your lashes. It will totally elongate them, plump them, curl them. It is the bomb. I love the brush. And I just kind of go to the base of my lashes, give it a little wiggle. I like to blink into the mascara because that seems to really just coat really well from all the way from the base to the tips. So look at that. Look at the difference in the two eyes. Every day when I put this mascara on, I'm just like, whoa, this stuff is amazing. This is like 2 cups of coffee for your eyes. Takes you from tired and, I mean, look at the difference, you guys. Seeing is believing. Epic mascara, that's all I'm using. Epic mascara. So if you look at this eye and you look at this eye, look at the difference. It's fabulous. So, and this also comes in the special this month. It's a great starter kit for people who are wanting to try something different. Maybe somebody who's wanting to go back to wearing simple eyeshadow again. This would be a fabulous time for you to try out our products and start wearing eyeshadow sometimes again. You don't have to commit to wearing it every day. But we have beautiful colors. You can make it as bold or as simplistic as you'd like. I like this happy because I think it's kind of just in between. Definitely you can tell I have makeup on. It matches everything. I wear a lot of blacks and grays and colors like that, purples. And so this color happy just happens to match a lot of what I wear. But I mean, it's totally up to you. We have browns and blues and greens and peaches and pinks and, I mean, all kinds of colors. So there's my eyes for today. Okay, what do you think? Now, the last product that you are going to get in the kit is what we call Hottie. And Hottie is a lip plumper. It was something that we ran as a special around Christmas time. And this stuff sold like hotcakes. And I was shocked that they did not put it in our regular line because you could not get your hands on this stuff. And it was just a limited time. And so the idea of it is it literally plumps your lips a little bit. Kind of just makes them more pronounced, makes them a little more pouty and puffy. And it only came in this color, which is a very, very subtle light pink. You can tell how much of it I've used. It's almost gone. But what my company has done now, they've come out this month with the Hottie in 5 different shades. So you can actually get the Hottie in different colors. Now, I have not received mine yet, but I do have the regular original one. And what I like to do is, like, when I use a lip stain, which is what I'm going to do now, I like to put the Hottie over top of it. Now, I wouldn't have to do this if I had one of the darker colored Hotties. So I'm just going to put some of this on. This is our lip stain, which is fabulous. Lasts all day. Get super long wear out of the lip stain. But if any of you all have used a lip stain before, you know that's kind of drying. Lip stain is not like a lipstick where it's moisturizing and leaves a lot of creaminess. And some people like that. I don't. I like the creamy lip feeling. So I'm just going to let this lips dry for a minute and then go in with my Hottie. It just has like this little applicator. I love the feel of that on my lips. This one we got at Christmas is like a peppermint one. And I think all of them have the peppermint oil in them, which is what kind of gets your lips zinging and plumping up. So that's it. That's my look for the day. You can get these products. You can get a Splurge Cream Shadow, the Epic Mascara, and the Hottie of your choice. The set is on special this month for only $58. It's normally, I think, $75 or $73, but you can get it this month. It's our monthly Kudos special. You can get it for only $58. This is a fabulous, this is one of my favorite bundles we've done. We do a different special every single month, and they're all awesome. I love all our products, and I love all our specials, but this one just happens to be my 3 favorites. I would die if anything ever happened to these Splurge cream eyeshadows because I very heavily rely on these because they're just so easy. And I love, like I said, there's no fallout. And see how pretty that is? This will look like this, I swear, this will look like this at 9 o'clock tonight, 10 o'clock tonight. It will look exactly the same. It will not crease. Not outside on humid days, not on rainy days, never. It will not crease. And I have really hooded eyes, you guys. I have really hooded eyes. And it'll be just like that. And look how pretty that fade is. One color. One color. So for people who are like, oh, I don't have time for eyeshadow. You know, the powder eyeshadows, I will admit, if you're start getting into, you know, crease colors and blending colors, I love them and I think it's totally fun to play around with it. It's my thing. But for somebody who really just wants to get out the door, these Splurge cream shadows are the way to go. Pick a color, put it on, blend it out, you're done. Literally, like in under a minute. You could do this in literally under 1 minute. So, if you're interested in our Kudo special, contact me. You guys know how to get a hold of me. Drop a comment down below and just say Kudo special or tell me more or message me. However you want to do it, I'd be happy to set you up on this special deal, only $58 for 3 of our very top products. And I promise you, you will not regret it. You will love these products. So get with me. Have a great Thursday. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.